Hey guys, welcome back to the cooking series. In this video, I did a poll on Instagram between a blueberry scone and a Pop-Tart. And the one that's winning currently is the Pop-Tart, so I need to go run to the store and grab all the ingredients for this, and then we can start making it. Okay, so I have gotten all of the ingredients that we're gonna need to make these Pop-Tarts. We obviously have the dough, which is this Pillsbury dough sheet. There's not much that you need for this. Heavy whipping cream. You only need like a really tiny amount of this, but they only sell it in this size, so we'll figure out how to use the rest of that somehow. Cream cheese. This is something that I'm adding in. It doesn't require this. It requires like a jam to put inside, but I'm gonna put like a blueberry cream cheese filling instead of a jam filling. We have the powdered sugar to make the icing that goes on top with the sprinkles, blue to match for blueberry. Cornstarch, and then we also have the blueberries, which I also need 1 egg. We already have that, so I didn't have to buy it. And I think sugar, but that's it. That's all you need. So we're gonna get started, and hopefully these turn out. I think they will. It seems pretty simple. I'm going to make quite a few. One to try for you guys on film, and then some for my friends, and then also I'm gonna bring some to my grandparents so that they can try it too. Okay, so I have the oven preheating to 400 degrees. I'm gonna get a baking sheet and put parchment paper on it, just set that aside, and then we can start making the guts of the Pop-Tart, which the recipe asks for just jam and some cornstarch, but I'm not gonna listen. I'm going to add some cream cheese. I'm gonna do some cream cheese with blueberries. I'm gonna get the blender, I guess, the Ninja thing, to mix the blueberries into kind of like a mush, and then mix it in with the cream cheese, and then probably add a little bit of sugar, cornstarch, maybe. I don't know if I'll need this. Not exactly sure what the cornstarch does. I'll just add it because it says to. And then I'll taste it to make sure it tastes like really yummy, and I'll set that aside, and then we can start doing the dough. Okay, you saw me trying to use that spoon to mix up the guts of this with the cream cheese and blueberries. Just go ahead and use your mixer. It's way easier. Sometimes I don't know why, I just like to make things hard on myself, I guess. So use the mixer instead of the spoon. So I've tasted the mix, but it's not very sweet. It just kind of tastes like cream cheese with a little bit of blueberry. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so after I added the 2 tablespoons of sugar, it tastes so much better. So it's good to go. I'm gonna set this aside, go set up the parchment paper on the pan that we're gonna bake the Pop-Tarts on, and then start doing the dough. Okay, so the Pop-Tarts are done. They came out of the oven. They don't look as cute as I would want, but they're a little bit puffy. Maybe they'll settle down as they cool. But now we're going to make the glaze that will go on top. And then we'll have like the cute little sprinkles that go on it too to make it even cuter. So hopefully that will make them fun looking. Okay, so I just got done for a run while I was waiting for these to cool down so that I can put the icing on them. So here they are. And then I have another tray with the other two and the icing. So we're gonna go ahead and ice them. Okay, now it's time for the taste test. Let's break it open so you guys can see the inside first. I don't know how well this is gonna break open. Okay, it didn't break open really that easily. You can see that it's blueberry. Okay, let me take a bite. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Yeah. Okay, literally my camera, it's getting dark in here. I gotta turn on the light. I hate artificial light. I'm a big natural light fan, but it gets dark outside. So anyways, my camera died right as I was taking that video. But let's just say this is like the best thing I've made so far on this cooking series. Like, this is so perfect and so good. And I'm 100% sure that this is way more healthy, not healthy in general, but healthier than an actual Pop-Tart with all the chemicals in it. So like, oh my, and it tastes better. It's so good. I'm gonna turn my camera off so I can just chow down on this. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll put the recipe in the description, so if you wanna make it, you guys can. Thanks for watching again. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.